Welcome to Bright Learners. Today we're going to practice 100 basic action verbs in simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's get started. I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I taste the cake.
I taste the cake.
I smell flowers.
I smell flowers.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
They talk with friends.
They talk with friends.
She speaks English.
She speaks English.
He shouts loudly.
He shouts loudly.
We sing a song.
We sing a song.
They act in a play.
They act in a play.
She whispers a secret.
She whispers a secret.
I ask a question.
I ask a question.
She answers the teacher.
She answers the teacher.
I think about my homework.
I think about my homework.
He decides to go home.
He decides to go home.
I remember your name.
I remember your name.
She forgets her book.
She forgets her book.
I understand the lesson.
I understand the lesson.
The baby crawls on the floor.
The baby crawls on the floor.
He hits the ball.
He hits the ball.
The children play in the park.
The children play in the park.
She kicks the ball.
She kicks the ball.
He throws the ball to me.
He throws the ball to me.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
They run fast.
They run fast.
The rabbit hops.
The rabbit hops.
The boy jumps high.
The boy jumps high.
The cat creeps quietly.
The cat creeps quietly.
The dog shakes its body.
The dog shakes its body.
I love to dance.
I love to dance.
The bird flies high.
The bird flies high.
I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
They climb the mountain.
They climb the mountain.
We walk to school.
We walk to school.
He drives a car.
He drives a car.
She waits for the bus.
She waits for the bus.
My dad works in an office.
My dad works in an office.
She blows out the candle.
She blows out the candle.
We make a snowman.
We make a snowman.
She spells her name.
She spells her name.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
He copies the words.
He copies the words.
She bakes cookies.
She bakes cookies.
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
He writes a letter.
He writes a letter.
The boy draws a picture.
The boy draws a picture.
They build a house.
They build a house.
The man digs a hole.
The man digs a hole.
She paints the wall.
She paints the wall.
He repairs the car.
He repairs the car.
She fixes the bike.
She fixes the bike.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
He unpacks the box.
He unpacks the box.
They move the chairs.
They move the chairs.
He carries a box.
He carries a box.
He pushes the door.
He pushes the door.
She pulls the rope.
She pulls the rope.
The mom feeds her baby.
The mom feeds her baby.
I swim in the pool.
I swim in the pool.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Stand up, please.
Stand up, please.
The boy falls down.
The boy falls down.
He lifts up his son.
He lifts up his son.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
She drinks water.
She drinks water.
Dad cooks dinner.
Dad cooks dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
She cleans the room.
She cleans the room.
He sweeps the floor.
He sweeps the floor.
He opens the window.
He opens the window.
She closes the door.
She closes the door.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
He wakes up early.
He wakes up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I hide behind the tree.
I hide behind the tree.
She kisses her grandma.
She kisses her grandma.
She gives me a hug.
She gives me a hug.
He points to the board.
He points to the board.
He helps his friend.
He helps his friend.
The boy licks an ice cream.
The boy licks an ice cream.
She takes an apple.
She takes an apple.
He brings his book.
He brings his book.
I collect the letter.
I collect the letter.
They enter the house.
They enter the house.
She exits the building.
She exits the building.
He wins the game.
He wins the game.
She raises her hand.
She raises her hand.
The clown juggles balls.
The clown juggles balls.
She holds a book.
She holds a book.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I apologize to her.
I apologize to her.
She buys food.
She buys food.
He pays the bill.
He pays the bill.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
She smiles at me.
She smiles at me.
They laugh loudly.
They laugh loudly.
The baby cries.
The baby cries.
Let's count to 10.
Let's count to 10.
Add 2 and 3.
Add 2 and 3.
Subtract 1 from 6.
Subtract 1 from 6.
She enjoys the sunlight.
She enjoys the sunlight.
Great job today, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English videos. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.